Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a current backup, because rolling back can affect settings and files. Once done, open Start, type Settings, then go to Windows Update so you can see recent installs. Make sure to note the update name, version, and install date. This tells you what to remove. If a feature update is listed, you'll prepare a different path than for a quality or driver update. You'll now click Update History and choose Uninstall Updates to access the control panel list. Identify the problematic KB number or feature update, select it, and click Uninstall. This removes the package. If Windows prompts you to restart during or after removal, do so. The system finalizes rollback during reboot. Make sure to watch progress and avoid interrupting power. If Uninstall is grayed out, you may need Safe Mode or Command Line tools, which you'll handle next. If the standard uninstall fails, you can use Recovery right arrow go back to return from a recent feature upgrade within 10 days. This preserves apps and settings. For stubborn updates, run dism or wusa/uninstall with the KB identifier. These tools target packages directly. Once complete, verify device drivers and update blocks to prevent reinstallation. If issues persist, boot into safe mode and retry, or restore a system restore point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.